Alright.
And a goon.
I was about to ask which way do we go, but one of them was blocked off. So.
Yeah. Oh,
I know which way we go.
Ouchie.
Yeah, see?
Everybody gets stabbed. Everybody gets stabbed.
Oh,
Everybody gets stabbed. Splendid.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, shovel. There's a shovel here if you don't have one. It's right by the fire.
What is this?
A grease gun.
Grease gun.
Does it have an actual name, or is that actually its name name?
That's its colloquial name. It's like an M3 submachine gun from World War II.
M3A1 grease gun.
Yeah. It's a World War II submachine gun.
They call it that because it looks like a grease gun.
It also actually has a grease dispenser in it. For itself. Oil, rather.
Wait, are armies friendlies or no? They're not.
It didn't take long to answer that question. I kind of like this gun because it fires real slow. Ooh, Meltdown exploded. Oh, he's still in one piece. That's good. These guys are dropping heck Thompsons.
I was about to say, I'll catch you guys whenever you hit the next checkpoint. But apparently I didn't. Giblet.
Yeah, I like the slow rate of fire too. I don't really get the point of anything higher than 600 or 700.
There's a ladder into the basement.
It's quite useful in games though when you need to shoot dudes multiple times.
The point of higher rates of fire is suppression.
I don't know how, like in a submachine gun or like machine pistol, I don't know how well you can suppress people when you only have like 20 rounds. He's suppressed, guys.
Suppress his life force.
Oh god, I need help.
I'm lost, as usual.
I'm out.
Where'd everybody go?
Oh, hey, look, a machine gun.
It's got a range.
We police gotta stick together. Am I a police?
No.
We police and whatever.
You're an honorary. You're the new recruit, right?
You just deputize them.
Okay, what? That's terrifying, the amount of machine gun bullets you have to shoot that thing.
Oh, I just got teleported. Oh, did you guys fight the chopper?
Not yet.
Oh.
Meltdown is on this 50, and he's shooting these dang zombies, and he's having to shoot them with like 30. Whoa, here comes the helicopter.
That's because it's actually an airsoft gun. I like this helicopter because it's just like 1/3 of a Chinook.
I like it.
It's like the back half with the rotors fell off, just leaving the front rotors. But it's an Apache, apparently. Nice job, guys.
Kaboom.
That was an ordeal. This trip to a small town to find inspiration for my novel is really gone awry.
Just going on a trip with your favorite doctor, pastor, engineer, and cop.
That's right.
It sounds like the beginning to a really bad walked into a bar joke.
It sounds like a beginning of a really good movie.
It does. I'd watch it.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Okay, Felix. Crouch
I want that.
while you're jumping. Like, jump and then crouch.
I'm stuck. That's the problem.
Oh.
Getting my butt kicked under the water by this
What did you
freaking
say, Riggs?
skeleton.
Oh, there you go. I was going to say open the console and press stuck.
He killed me. Dang it! I couldn't kill him. So I'm in the water. There's a skeleton and a zombie down there.
Okay. Down by where the jumping was happening?
Yeah.
What the heck?
You'll need the pistol. So the pistol's the only thing that'll shoot underwater.
I'm just watching this undead mole wreck everything over here.
I don't have a crosshair, so because I messed up my. Well, I installed some custom crosshairs and they didn't quite work right.
Anything else down here?
Just me. I need a
Where I see
reviving.
you? Oh, okay.
Yeah. There was a sniper rifle down here. I picked it up, but then that's not me. That's the soldier.
I was just seeing. Just checking.
So if someone can get back on that 50, that'd be really great.
What did you...
Yeah. Oh. You got your flashlight on?
Here we go. Did that work? Oh,
No,
God,
you gotta hold it.
I'm healing now.
Oh, you're trying to revive her eggs?
Yeah. Hi, John. Oh, I can see through your mouth. Straight through. Wow, that's weird. Thank you. Thanks for all the underwater surgery. Much appreciated.
Sure thing.
Thank you.
What'd you say about the 50? You guys
We're
still
good.
got problems?
Oh no,
We're good.
problem's been fixed.
Okay. I like the controls of this. It's got like a dial and several buttons on the back of the machine gun. I wonder what that's for. Turning up the volume?
The volume of bullets.
Exactly.
Controlling oil pressure and temperature?
Well, you know, don't be like the Afghanis who, you know, had theirs set all the way to 900 meters because they just thought that made the bullets hit harder.
You mean it doesn't?
Listen,
They're in the
you run your
trees.
machine gun how you want.
Ow, what the fuck is this?
What's that? Oh, it's the AR-10 or whatever this thing is. This is my favorite weapon in the game when I have a crosshair.
Just
It's
had
my gun.
a shotgun fall out of the sky and land. I'm not opposed to this, but
It's raining firearms.
Hallelujah.
What? I got grenades.
Ooh.
Oh.
so where is the AR?
Where?
Past it.
Yeah, it's back here
I'll
somewhere.
show you where to get it.
Oh, there's an umbrella here too. Cool. In case it rains.
You coming, Meltdown? There you are. Oh, that's Felix.
I'm ahead.
Yeah, it's right back here.
Do you want the rifle, George? Are you good?
I'm good.
'Kay.
Wait, what rifle? This one?
Okay, you got it.
Now that we're fully armed and operational at the
Onward.
battle station. The guy's holding the like forward grip with like a really uncomfortable looking angle on his wrist. Red dog.
Oh, that's the kind of
Yeah, tactical pancake.
Tac Pat.
That was the name of my Steam group for Spin Co-op.
pet. It's great.
That or Agents fan. I can't remember which, but I remember there was a reference to that. It might have been, yeah.
Or that was our activity first.
I'm dead in the corner next to Farmer John. Next to Farmer Gone. Sorry, John, if you found that
Wait,
offensive.
why are you on my head?
Listen, I'm not the one who revived me there.
Like Blanks, you're complaining this is the most action you've gotten like ever.
Ha. Not true.
Ooh.